Well, that was a quick walk down to the beach because my two little princesses, who are probably the worst travellers ever, Beth wants to go back because it's too hot, and Talika's complaining as well that it's too hot. I'm struggling with this, but anyway, look at how much building. It's building going on everywhere. And this is not small, it's not trivial stuff. Look at the hotels. Your hotel. Look at the size of that going on there.
Sorry.
Corio Hotel. I mean, these are beautiful hotels. Cannon Garden Resort. I mean, look at them. They're just gorgeous. They're all very close together. Look at the construction going on there, and it's going to come right out from here. Korean ladies. Now, there's a lady that's working at the hotel somewhere, and they're expected to wear heels, and they're expected, I think, going by how they look always as a uniform thing, they're expected to wear tight skirts, and they're short. Now look at this place here. Beth went online to find out how much it would be to stay at that place, and it was 10,000 pesos a night. We are not staying there. Well, what that place is there, but it's big and expensive. So where we are staying is a fairly modest place by comparison, but the entrance is tucked right up there to the line. Korean. A sidewalk in Baraka. So here we are, we're back at the hotel.